All right, guys, we are here today with Carlos Lastra.
Cthulhu.
And Fetty Potter. And Brian Ambs.
Hi.
If any of you guys get injured in this box opening, I hope you sign the forms.
Oh my no. Are we using fire?
We could light this on fire.
Oh my.
That one does not work.
Backing up.
That didn't happen. No. It actually made it open really nicely.
There we go. Sure, that was the reason.
I think you just got contact cement on my lens. Thank you, Aaron.
A note.
What is this?
Go ahead. Go ahead and read this.
I've got a paranoia about paper cuts on eyeballs. Dude, if somebody waves a paper, I'm like,
Really?
get out of here. Hey guys, my name is Adam Cornejo, and I am almost 10 years old. I live in, he does not have this voice then. I live in sunny Oceanside, California. I've been skateboarding for almost 2 years, and your videos have really helped me and my best friend Weston learn new tricks.
Weston.
I made the briefcase skateboard. That was amazing. I made the briefcase skateboard for the Braille team because I thought it would be cool for you to keep all your skateboarding supplies inside it. What? Please use this.
Look at the inside reveal.
Oh my god!
Oh, he put this in there to.
Adam,
for
you have an
support.
amazing printer.
That is incredible.
This is my dad's old briefcase from when he was a salesman. It brought him a lot of good luck, and I hope it does for you. So his family's rocking because of this briefcase.
That's really cool, actually.
How did they even get all of these thumbnails?
It's incredible.
Oh, it has a code, so remember the code.
000.
All right.
I forgot it already.
Yeah. Aaron, you're really gonna have to carry this video.
Case in point.
Just be prepared for it to break, just in case.
I didn't get your joke.
Oh,
It's
the
a
code,
tough
like-
crowd today.
Get your lawyer ready. We just walk around the skate park?
Yeah.
Don't even ride it.
Does holding it by the handle mean that it is a mall grab?
I don't know. This is the lawyer grab.
What does it mean?
I'm gonna take this down to 5, first try.
Wait. Here, the only.
He did indeed take it down the 5.
Wow. It's actually really good. It's actually really good. Doug and I, monster flip off.
Wow. Nice shirt.
Oh, wow. Thanks.
Doug, please don't break it. Be brief. Case.
You technically firecrackered that. That was amazing. Yeah! Andy said he's gonna drop in on the quarter pipe with it.
Yes, Andy.
I contemplated it. Can you even stand?
Fully called him out.
First try.
Jeez, that's hard to step off.
There we go.
All right. No, dude. I'll stick with the drop in.
Kickflip off.
Wow! You could do
That
that.
can be done.
This works amazingly well. Like, I am insanely impressed with this thing.
What I want to do is get a full suit and then go downtown and skate it. Doug for the win. Let's give Brian one more chance. Whoa! Game of skate, full park. Andy's first, Brian's second, Doug is third, I'm fourth, Fetty is fifth. Good luck. McNugget is officially part of the game. Start.
I want to drop in on that, but I was like, well, I'll break it right, like at the beginning of the game.
I think it'll break you.
I'll do it from halfway up. This is terrifying.
God, that sucks! How did you do that?
I don't know.
Godspeed. Wow!
Damage report?
It's holding up pretty well.
Solid. Cthulhu waxes everything. How, Andy? How? Oh! Wow.
Is the ankle
Trying
okay?
to land manual.
Mitosis.
Wow!
Oh, okay, I'm gonna drop in and then do a shove it off the top of that bank. Is this gonna be scary to drop in?
Well, you just did that, so.
Oh my gosh. has some torque.
Whoa! I think if you land a 3-shove in general, you're getting everyone a letter.
Maybe.
Doug, what are you doing?
Early grab.
Early grab?
That's good. Doug, I think you got a real case for that one.
Yeah, you barely got a handle on it.
Aaron is too tall for this trick. Oh!
It's been there for a while.
You just broke your protractor.
Oh my god! Oh! I'm gonna give him a rebate.
That was way weirder than the drop in.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
Brian and I are just not built for the corporate world.
Aaron's gonna take an early exit.
Oh! I don't want to do this.
Are we playing to 8 or ATE?
Up to you.
It's a brief game, so.
8 rate.
Whoever's in the lead when this thing breaks wins.
Yeah.
Oh! Wow!
I'm gonna give you a high five for that.
Wow.
$5 if you land it, Brian.
I'm horrified of this. Like,
I think we got a case of the Saturdays.
yeah!
How did he roll away from that?
I feel like there's just some people that can just do anything that they want to.
I feel like that was your phone on me.
Yes! It counts! It counts!
You were like,
I feel like that was even harder to land than actually landing it.
Go fast and commit. Oh god! He's got it right?
Yeah, he's got it.
Brian Ambs, not so alive anymore.
No.
tear of sadness.
You go roll down switch.
Oh.
12 skateboarders just like got horrified, terror stomach.
I'm going to break several limbs. This is the scariest thing I've ever thought of.
Yeah!
Maybe I'm being dramatic. I got this. I'm dead. I don't know if you can tell, but I was like on the brink of doing a switch manual until like over here. It's like where you get to the top of a roller coaster and you're like, are we gonna go? Are we gonna go? And then I went.
Doug, this is dirty. Oh! Oh, you're mad about this one.
Yeah, I'm mad. I'm robbed. I got robbed.
The reign of Doug has ended.
I need some serious strategy because one letter more and I'm out. I could steal Doug's trick because I know Fetty's extremely terrified of that, or I could do some fly crown tricks. What do you think, Gabe?
I think you should do the hippie jump.
Wow. Fetty's trying to sabotage me.
No, sue me. You got your case.
All I could think about was catching my feet and completely dying.
Oh!
I feel like McNugget was born for this skateboard.
You're all business.
Dude, all
Appreciate
business.
that. Oh!
Harder than I thought.
Doug, if you miss this, I'm not your friend anymore.
I won't.
I say you drop in on the 4-foot side of the mini ramp.
Yeah, I got that.
The trick is gonna be a rock and roll.
That was insane! Mega ramp, here we go.
That wasn't my try.
If I did that, I would have been like, that was my try.
I saw like a Revive graphic on that because it's splitting open. There we go.
Wow! Well done.
That was really hard. Dang it!
That was like 110% commitment right there.
I would have taken a letter back if you landed
I
that, dude.
can't feel my left knee is numb.
I will go up the euro.
How did you do that?
I knew I could do it. First try.
Well done.
Deck check or you're up the euro?
A deck check.
Doesn't matter, you went up.
No, you didn't call it.
Nice.
I love when they get all upset. He didn't call it. He didn't. Of course, that's what I was gonna do. You thought I was gonna.
People are going to die right there and not even get here.
Count it.
Dang. Wow!
I don't know how that happened, but it did.
This thing is hanging in remarkably well.
Yeah. I better fully call this so they don't like complain about me not calling it. I'm gonna roll up the bank, big spin, and then roll back down.
That was a crunchy one.
No!
Still good, still good. You gonna get 20 bucks out of Brian for this one?
No, Petty, no! I'm not gonna do that. What? No!
I'm not gonna have a hip after this.
There's no way!
Like when he did it, it looked like he could have got caught up. It's way smoother than you'd think. I need to stop being dramatic. Every trick I'm like, dead, broken leg. Oh, I did. I was just too.
It's okay, you're
That's fine.
excited. He was in the moment.
I'm glad I stayed.
I wanted to see it again to make sure it was like fake.
No
It looks
way.
so sketchy
No.
though, look at that.
And you're Chris McNugget. Oh my god.
Wow. Aaron, you got a lot to live up to, man.
And you're Chris McNugget. Can I be a McNugget?
I love artichoke, seriously.
And that was the end of Doug's ball on his back.
Wow. Aaron, it's all on you.
I can't.
Goodbye.
Stand up here and look at it.
I know exactly what it's like. There's no way. That'd be horrifying. That'd be so scary. I would never try that.
Wait, Aaron, look at the bottom of it.
I don't want to look at the bottom. Brian, tell me what to do.
Okay, one more try.
Last try.
You gotta do it.
You think so?
Yep. It's your reputation. Yeah! Did you expect everyone to land that?
No.
I'd like to thank my mom, my grandma, and my brother John.
I'm just gonna go down to 5.
All right.
I think I'm gonna try a switch drop in on this quarter pipe.
Now that I'm saying this, I'm gonna miss it, but I think that is less scary than rolling down the bank switch. I'm gonna die. I get to try it again. That's tough. I shouldn't have said it.
Doug, you got this. Yeah!
Doug's good.
There was a lot of like build up to that. I think the way to do it is you just don't think at all and you just go really fast.
Just go. I'm thinking.
Way overthinking that. I think I know what to do though now. You just lean really far forward.
Don't think about it. Oh! Oh! You got one more, Fetty. You got one more. All right. We'll give it to him.
All right, I'm gonna try and grind a rail. Darn it, he's taking what I was gonna do. And I don't want McNugget to win because he's one of the most talented people. I always want to vote for the underdog. I like Chris, but I want like pretty much anyone else to win. Is that mean? Because he's so good, I want someone else to win.
You've been asking for this a long time. You keep saying, Doug, do it. Drop in on the big quarter pipe, the big mini ramp. Dropping on the big mini ramp.
Oh yeah.
I'm just happy to be alive.
I feel like I keep getting on the wrong side. This thing sucks.
Wow, look at that.
Rock fakie.
Damn, Doug.
It doesn't make sense.
No stall.
Is it okay?
It's good.
That's my boy.
I'm gonna try and power slide down this bank. You got it, Doug. Just roll away, no matter what. Wow.
There's like a level of athleticism that's like above Olympian, and that right now is Doug.
My heart's racing. That is K to K. We're down to the wire, people. We're down to the wire.
5, baby.
If you don't land this first try, you realize you will lose. You got this.
He went vertical primo and then still committed and tried to land, and then the thing went.
That was crazy.
Oh my god. Master locksmith.
Thank you, Fetty. You gotta hang that.
We do.
I just gotta do it.
Just do it. What? That counts. Doug! Where's Doug?
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
Slippery man.
I'm going to switch because I can't do it regular. Rip. Are we done now?
Yep. That went way further than I ever thought that it would have.
Yeah, it did. It was pretty crazy.
Thanks for watching. Watch all the other videos in this playlist and subscribe to every single person's channel here. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Fetty. Thank you, Brian Ambs. Thank you, Brian Arnett, who wasn't even in the video. And Doug DesAutels.
Chris McNugget.
And Chris McNugget. And Daniel and Troy. Why do I keep trying to go further away from you and you keep going closer to me?
Because you're far.
I'll see you in the next video. Check out the playlist. Peace.